Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Ether to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart and the Japanese candlesticks, which are pointing out the new yearly high on the Ether. It's 3,357 at the time of the video making. So very nice movement to the upside. The volume is substantially higher during the up moves like 3 days ago during the breakout to the upside. So it all means bulls are in charge of the market. So let's just get rid of this volume and let's see where exactly the market is heading to. Right, so let me just zoom out. There you go. And maybe we just make the chart a little bit smaller to see the next potential target for the bulls. And the next potential target for the bulls is located roughly around the level of 3,577. This is the next target for the bulls. Let's make it red and thick. So that's the target for the bulls. Let me just take a look if there's anything else here. Not too much, not too much, not too much. But what is important is that if this level 3,577 is violated, then the next move for the bulls would be to move higher, right, to extend the upward movement towards, and that would be exactly on the highs from 2021, which is 4,800 and 4,866. Yeah, so that would be the next ultimate target if this level here is clearly violated. So it doesn't matter what kind of a technical indicator we add, all of them will show that the Ether is on the overbought conditions. However, let's just add the RSI because this is our standard indicator. So you can see clearly that the Ethereum stays above the level of 70. Right now it's 81, 82 points. So it's clearly extremely overbought. Nevertheless, please notice that this market can go up and continue the uptrend, and the RSI can stay on the elevated levels above the level of 70, above the level of 80 for the extended period of time, because the market is trending strongly. So we all know that already. Let's just focus on the recent price action to see what's happened here. As you can see, the slope of the extension to the upside is pretty deep, because it's kind of a it's not parabolic here from here to here, but after this correction we got almost parabolic upward movement with 85% of the green candles, right? So almost every candle is now green one. So this situation can last forever, of course, and we should be prepared for the some sort of the correction. However, it will not likely be yet. Now let's just make some levels. So the first one is the nearest technical support. The nearest technical support, which is obvious for everyone, is 3029. So because it's support, let me just make it nicely green. Now the other technical support is located at 724, and this technical support was tested already, which is even more valuable. Now the extension to the upside might last for a few more days, maybe even to the end of the next week. So we already know that the next target for the bulls is the high from 2022, 3,577, and this level might be hit very soon. One last thing I would like to add here is some sort of the trend line here, and maybe even channel. Let's start with the channel. Let me just find out some kind of a channel to show you guys that this is very steep, because if you want to incorporate any kind of a channel, it won't basically work that much. You see, it will create something like this. So even if you try to make it like that from this particular low, well, maybe this sort of the channel might be somehow useful, but you can see already that we are out of this very steep channel already. This all means that the upward movement is very, very strong, very, very dynamic and aggressive, and it looks like almost everyone is right now buying the ether. Everyone is now in the bandwagon of a buyers for the Ethereum. So please pay attention to the situation here, because as I said, it will not last forever. And the other thing is I would like to point out, let me just zoom in a little bit, because I would like to point out this situation here. Last correction 4.77. Okay, bad tick, so it's not that much, but the other correction, the biggest one I see, minus 20%, is here, minus 4%. So anything which is bigger than 5% might be potentially leading to the deeper correction, just by judging the situation here on the price range during the correction. And the last one is, let me just show you the one of my favorite apparently let's say indicator for this market, and this is of course the MACD. And MACD histogram is showing us that this momentum keeps moving up, and the moving averages are getting away from each other. So this is not the end of the upward movement. As I said, this is not the end of the bullish dominance on the Ethereum market. We are still having some time and some room to gather before $3,577. The next target for the bulls is hit eventually, right? So remember, stay focused, stay vigilant. Bulls are in control of the market. Uptrend is being continued, and there is no indication of an uptrend termination or completion. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.